Welcome back to See My Review. Today we're unboxing a sneaker legend, the Jordan 4 Retro Black Cat. This pair is an absolute classic, making its long-awaited return after 14 years. But that's not all. I've got some exciting news about a website that's offering an exclusive sale on these kicks. So stick around, because if you want to own a pair, I've got the inside scoop just for you. Let's get into this unboxing opens box. Take a look at these beauties. The Jordan 4 Retro Black Cat in all their sleek, blacked-out glory. The premium nubuck suede upper gives it that smooth and luxurious feel, while the signature mesh detailing adds a sporty edge. The black-on-black color scheme makes them one of the cleanest and most versatile Jordans ever. And check out the Jumpman logo on the tongue. It's just too iconic. Let's talk about why these sneakers are a must-have. First off, the Jordan 4 silhouette is one of the most beloved designs in sneaker culture, timeless and always in demand. The Black Cat colorway makes it even more special because it's super versatile. You can rock these with almost any outfit, whether casual or dressed up. The comfort is next level thanks to the air cushioning in the midsole. Plus, these are durable enough for everyday wear while still being a collector's dream. Now I know you're wondering, where can you grab a pair? Well, you're in luck. I found a website that's running an exclusive sale on these sneakers, making it easier for you to secure a pair at a great price. I've added the link in the description below, along with their social media handles and contact details. Just click the link, check out the stock, and grab your pair before they sell out. These are hot right now, so don't wait too long. And that's it for today's unboxing and review. If you love sneakers, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to see my review for more amazing sneaker content. Let me know in the comments, are you copying these for the collection, or are they your next daily wear? Also, don't forget to check out the link in the description to buy these kicks and follow me on social media for more updates. Until next time, stay fresh, stay stylish,